The offshore wind industry is searching for something that can quickly meet the ever-growing demand for offshore wind power. In 2020, the European Commission declared their intention to increase offshore wind power capacity to 360 gigawatts by 2050. In order to meet that goal, we need something that can overcome several fundamental challenges. For example, the most commonly proposed solutions create serious manufacturing bottlenecks, partly because current port infrastructure and assembly facilities do not have the capability and capacity to deliver the huge volume of platforms required. Something modular, scalable, easier to deploy, and more cost-effective is needed. Our energy supply, our climate, and our future relies on finding that something. We believe that something is Gazelle Wind Power's hybrid offshore floating platform. Targeted to be the lowest cost LCOE solution, Gazelle's platform is designed with the floating offshore wind industry's biggest challenges in mind. It's modular and can be assembled using existing ports and shipbuilding techniques. It's scalable, accommodating even the largest turbines whilst maintaining low draft and high stability in extreme conditions. And, vitally, it's quick and simple to install, with minimal impact on the seabed, helping the world to reach its net zero goals. Gazelle's platform takes the best aspects of semi-submersible designs along with those of tension-leg platforms and combines them with something we call the Gazelle principle to create a new hybrid concept that separates the functions of buoyancy and stability in a design that is faster to deploy. The Gazelle principle is the nucleus of Gazelle's patented engineering and mooring system. The principle itself is characterized by the way it eliminates pitch and balances the platform movement in response to the external forces of wind, waves, and tide. In practical terms, this is achieved through vertical anchor lines that are attached to the seabed, which transfer motion along the anchor lines through the platform down to a counterweight that is attached below. This means that when the platform experiences motion from a wave, that motion is carried through the system, and the platform itself can resist movement and restore its position, acting as a passive ballasting system without the need for complexity or active control systems, all while limiting environmental disturbance to the seabed. The Gazelle principle enables a design that reduces loads and improves stability, remaining cost-effective while still supporting even the largest wind turbines. Gazelle's modular design solution can be delivered using existing port infrastructure and shipbuilding methods. This alleviates the need for customized ports and, vitally, reduces the manufacturing bottleneck. This solution, with its unique, modular, scalable design, could be the something the offshore wind industry has been waiting for, and will help to safeguard our energy supply, our climate, and all our futures. Gazelle Wind Power, unlocking the power of wind for the world. To find out more, visit gazellewindpower.com.